Hello, awesome writers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn something super cool about writing stories. We're talking about how to write a hook for the introduction paragraph of a narrative story. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's dive in. First off, let's figure out what a hook is.
Whoa!
A hook is a special sentence at the beginning of your story that grabs the reader's attention. It makes them want to keep reading. You want your readers to think, wow, I need to find out what happens next. Why is a hook important? Well, everyone loves a good story, right? But if the beginning isn't exciting, the readers might not want to keep reading. A great hook makes them curious and pulls them into your story. Okay, let's talk about different types of hooks you can use. Here are 3 fun types. 1. Question hook. You can start with a question. For example, have you ever wondered what it's like to fly like a superhero? This makes the reader think. 2. Statement hook. You can make a strong statement, like, it was the scariest night of my life when I heard the spooky noises in the dark. This grabs attention. 3. Exciting statement. Hook. You can start with something really exciting. For example, just when I thought my summer was boring, I discovered a hidden treasure map. This gets readers excited to learn more. Now, let's do this in steps so you can write your own hook. Step 1. Think about your story. What is it about? Is it an adventure, a mystery, or maybe a funny moment? Step 2. Decide what type of hook you want to use. Do you want to ask a question, make a statement, or say something exciting? Step 3. Write your hook sentence. Make sure it's interesting and makes the reader want to know more. Step 4. Read your hook out loud. Does it sound exciting? If yes, great. If not, try rewriting it until it feels just right. Now it's your turn. Think about a story you want to write. Take a moment to brainstorm and come up with a hook. You can even share it in the comments below. I'd love to read what you come up with. You did amazing today, writers. Remember, a great hook can make your readers excited to dive into your story. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be writing hooks like a pro. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more writing tips and fun activities. Happy writing, and see you next time. Bye for now.